So we've talked about ugly sweaters. We've talked about holiday. We've talked about fast food. So here's my last thing. Our buddies at KFC have come up with a new holiday bucket design with a matching holiday merch collection. Started this month. Their limited edition Season of Joy bucket with a special holiday design. It's called the Secret Recipe of Joy Holiday Bucket. The merch stuff it's typical, but it looks nice. They've got a cozy hoodie. They've got a holiday sweater. They didn't call it ugly, so that's good. They've got a winter jacket. They've got some lickable gloves, fingerless gloves. That's kind of a fun idea, playing on your brand there. They've got a tote bag. They've got a bucket hat. KFC bucket hats are fun. Some fun things they did too is they've got a t-shirt and a sweatshirt. The type looks like it's dripping, like it's gravy ink or whatever. It's not. It's just, that's what it looks like. It's kind of cool though. It's kind of a cool play on your thing. KFC gravy and the lickable gloves. I mean, the lickable gloves are awesome. So you can eat your chicken and keep your gloves on. So what they've done is they're leveraging seasonal themes and limited edition products, again, creating scarcity and also creating excitement to enhance their brand engagement during the holidays. I like the way they came up with products that lend themselves to use their product, like the gloves. Take your fingers off. That goes with their slogan and their tagline and their whole mission about finger licking. Remember when the Big C came out a couple years ago and they had to quit saying that, or they decided it was smart not to say that because it wasn't really sanitary. So I guess they're saying it again. So good for them.